In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures in the CoinEx app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app, we can now go to the futures trading by simply tapping down here on futures. Then we'll get to this trading page. First of all, we can see in here our available balance in our futures account. If you don't see any here yet, simply tap this plus and make sure to transfer to your futures account to be able to trade with the money here. And if you don't have any money in here yet in your CoinEx account, you first need to go down to assets, click deposit, choose a cryptocurrency and send money here. If you need more help with that, I have many more tutorials on my channel where I show you step by step how to deposit money here on CoinEx. Alright, so next up, let's check out the trading platform. First of all, in the top left, you can choose your trading pair. So by just tapping on here, you can see all these different coins that you can trade. For now, I'm going to stick with Bitcoin in here. Right next to it, we can either tap on here to view the chart, or what I prefer even more is this down here. Just tap this arrow to have this quick view of the price chart. You can also view these different time frames in here to always check out what the price chart is doing. You can also minimize by clicking on that again. And then right below it, we have here on the right side our order book, and on the left side this control center where we can open our trades. So where we can set the leverage, the order type, choose a position size, add take profit or stop loss, and eventually go long or short. Right below it here, this will be the section where we can see our opened positions later, as well as our open orders or history. Let's go back up again and open our first long trade. So let's go in here to buy. Here for the margin mode, I recommend you to choose isolated for the beginning, and for the leverage, I'm going to stick with a 5x for now. Right below it, I'm going to choose market for the order type to execute the order immediately. And then down here, I can now set the position size. I can tap on this to choose between in Bitcoin or USDT. I personally prefer it in USDT because then I can simply type in here, I want to open a $500 position size, for example. This will equal around about 0.0073 Bitcoin. And next up, I can also down here see how much of my own money I'm using for that, which will be $100. The $100 comes from because the 100 times the 5x leverage will equal the $500 position size. So that's how the three here play together. Next up, I can also add a take profit or stop loss if I want to do that, but just tapping on this check mark in here. And now I can either type in here the prices, or if I click on advanced, I can set it in even more detail. I can choose, for example, in here, I want to set it either by price change as a percentage, by my return on investment on my own capital as a percentage, or even the profit or loss directly in US dollars. I like this the most because then I can just say, all right, I want to make $40 of profit at my take profit, which will be at this price, which is automatically calculated. Same goes for my stop loss by P&L at a loss of $15, which will be at this price right here. Let's hit confirm. It's all set up in here, and if I click now on buy long, confirm this, now my trade will be opened, and if I scroll down a bit, I can directly also see my open position here. We can see directly everything that is important. We can see it's a Bitcoin long trade with a 5x leverage. We can see our currently open profit or loss in here as a dollar value and as a percentage. Down below, we can see our position size, the $500, our margin, so our own capital in this trade, the $100, and also the average entry price where we entered the trade, the break-even price, and our liquidation price. Liquidation price would mean if we don't have a stop loss, which we did now, you can already see that right here, but let's say we don't have a stop loss, the price would crash down to this price, then this trade right here would be liquidated by the platform, which means it would be automatically closed and we would lose our entire margin in this trade. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss beforehand, which we already did in here, and we can also edit that by just clicking on TPSL in here. You can see take profit and stop loss. We can change that in here easily by switching up any of these numbers, or also just cancel them in here and then set new ones, for example, if you want to do that, but just at any time going back here to TPSL and set new ones. All right, next up, I also want to show you how you can easily increase or decrease your position size in here. To increase it, simply go back up again and do as if you would open a new trade. So I can just go in here, hit buy again, market. Let's say I want to add another $200 onto this existing trade. Let's get rid of the TPSL. And then all I need to do is just click on buy long, confirm this, and then you'll see I've now increased my position size to around about $700, and also my margin has increased to $140. So that's how you can increase it. If you want to do the opposite and decrease your position size later on, just hit close position down here, mark it to do it immediately. And now you can either type in here the Bitcoin amount or just use the slide controller to choose how much you want to close. For example, if I want to close 50% of the trade, I'm also taking 50% of my currently opened profit or loss in this case. And then if I click confirm, you'll see I've now reduced my position size down to $350 and also my margin is now down to $70. Lastly, you can also edit your leverage and margin later on. You can see the 5x leverage that we've chosen at the beginning in here is not set in stone forever. You can also edit that later on, but just tapping on here, and now you can increase or decrease your leverage. If you increase it, of course, that means your liquidation price will come closer, but also your required margin will be less. So you can free up more capital to then, for example, further increase your trade or do whatever you want. Or you can also decrease it by reducing the risk and lowering your liquidation price. But of course, then you need more margin inside the trade to keep it opened. So these are two options that you can still edit. Of course, you can also here edit the margin, add or reduce some margin to also influence where your liquidation price will be. So that's also not set in stone forever. You can also at any time change that later on. Lastly, to close the entire trade, you can simply click on close all right here, confirm, and then with just one click, you're also out of the trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.